threats to key industry sectors. Key industry sectors offer networking infrastructure systems such as manufacturing, energy, communication and transportation. For example, the smart grid is an enhancement to the electrical generation and distribution system. The electrical grid carries power from central generators to a large number of customers. A smart grid uses information to create an automated advanced energy delivery network. World leaders recognize that protecting their infrastructure is critical to protecting their economy. Over the last decade, cyberattacks like Stuxnet proved that a cyberattack could successfully destroy or interrupt critical infrastructures. Specifically, the Stuxnet attack targeted the supervisory control and data acquisition (SCADA) system used to control and monitor industrial processes. SCADA can be part of various industrial processes in manufacturing, production, energy and communications systems. Click link in the description to view more information about Stuxnet attack. A cyberattack could bring down or interrupt industry sectors like telecommunication, transportation or electrical power generation and distribution systems. It could also interrupt the financial services sector. One of the problems with environments that incorporate SCADA is the fact that designers did not connect SCADA to the traditional IT environment and the Internet. Therefore, they did not properly consider cybersecurity during the development phase of these systems. Like other industries, organizations using SCADA systems recognize the value of data collection to improve operations and decrease costs. The resulting trend is to connect SCADA systems to traditional IT systems. However, this increases the vulnerability of industries using SCADA systems. The advanced threat potential that exists today demands a special breed of cybersecurity experts. Click link in the description to view more information about Stuxnet attack.